When reminders are enabled, you will get a notification to complete a form. To configure reminders, go to the web dashboard, select the form, and click on Create Reminder. First, choose the type of reminder you want, rolling or custom, then the interval. In this example, I want participants to be reminded on days 1, 5, and 15, counting from the moment they install the app. You may also change the text users see in the notification. When it's time to complete a form, users will get a mobile reminder. Keep in mind that reminders work offline. You can get reminders and complete a form even if you don't have an internet connection. The time of a reminder can be changed from the mobile app, giving you the flexibility to adjust the reminder to your own schedule. Lastly, in case you miss a reminder, from the menu you can access a list of pending tasks. Let's review what we have learned. Any form you create on Teamscope can trigger a mobile reminder. Reminders can have two types, rolling or custom. This allows you to create a flexible sequence that matches precisely your study design. Finally, participants can adjust the time of reminders, and in case they miss one, go back to it from the pending tasks.